Have you ever wanted to learn Greek? As one of the most ancient languages in the world, Greek is endlessly fascinating with so much history and culture to go along with it. But what are the biggest reasons and why should you learn it over other larger languages? Well, to start, Greece has one of the largest tourism industries in Europe and receives over 30 million tourists a year who enjoy a wide range of things. From luxury accommodations in the Greek islands to some of the best and most well-preserved ancient historical sites in the world. Tourists enjoy some of the finest olive oil and wine the world has to offer for some of the cheapest prices, and the Greek people are always welcoming. Learning Greek opens you up to a wonderful world of gods, advanced ancient civilizations, and amazing kind-hearted people. Not only that, but Greek is actually a hugely useful language, as it serves as the base for many words in English, particularly medical words, and its grammar has landed itself as the base for Germanic and Slavic languages. Now, the road to learning Greek isn't always going to be easy, of course. That's exactly why we've put together this comprehensive guide to beginner Greek. In this course, we are going to take you through the first steps of your Greek journey, from an absolute beginner to an intermediate level. Our lessons will cover everything from teaching you how to read and write in Greek, to pronouncing the words correctly, to conjugating verbs, using declensions, and forming sentences to express yourself and describe the world around you. You'll even learn a lot of cultural tips along the way about how to use your newfound Greek skills correctly in the complicated social rules of Greece. So why pick this course? There are hundreds of courses out there, but here's why ours is the best. For starters, the combination of grammar, vocabulary, and syntax you'll be taught will allow you to comfortably handle many day-to-day situations, as well as give you a very solid foundation upon which to continue your Greek studies. Secondly, we don't just teach you the theory. Each lesson is accompanied by numerous examples and exercises to help you understand and practice what you're learning. We've also included revision lessons and dedicated practice lessons to really test your language retention. Finally, the course is designed and taught by a language teacher with years of experience in teaching foreign languages. That's what makes it easy to follow and master even for a complete beginner. So if you want to learn Greek in a fun and simple way, this is the course for you. I promise you, you won't regret it.